You scroll for 3 hours a day. Be honest. And your syllabus? Still untouched. The feed never ends. But your marks stay stuck, and every exam creeps closer. So here's a wild idea. What if the scroll you love could be the thing that tops your class? Meet ConceptScroll, India's free study app that turns scrolling into real learning. Every chapter, class 6 to 12, plus G and NEET, with smart notes in English and Hindi. Open the app and just scroll. Every swipe is a bite-sized concept, a reel that actually teaches you something. Tap any concept for clean, exam-ready notes. The whole chapter, simplified, in English or Hindi. Stuck on a doubt? Your AI tutor breaks down any question step by step, like a personal teacher in your pocket, anytime. Got a PDF? NCERT, Verma, a coaching module, upload it and get smart notes and quizzes in minutes. And it's not just NCERT. Practice real previous year papers for G, NEET, board and state exams, with instant feedback. Study with your friends, climb the leaderboard, and keep your streak alive. Here's where you start, the 30-day challenge. 1 set of notes and 1 quiz, every day. In 30 days, studying becomes a habit, not a chore. Take the 30-day challenge, it's free. Scroll less, learn more. Start today on ConceptScroll.